coffee with coffee powder, condensed milk, some corn flour, Hershey's spread, vanilla essence, Hershey's spread and sugar. Now let's start our making process. I have taken 3 fork spoons of coffee powder and 2 spoons of sugar for the taste, and also I have to use ice cubes as it is in the freezer. I am not supposed to take it when I am doing the recipe. Let's start. Now I am going to pour 3 spoons of coffee powder, sugar and our essence, 2 drops of essence. First mix it well. So like this you will get a mixture like this. If you want sugar, you can add sugar. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can add this.
3 to 1 go.
Now I have made this syrup. So if you don't have vanilla essence, you can use Hershey's syrup. You will get it in the shops. Please try my recipe and subscribe to my channel. So I'll continue now. Now I'll add some condensed milk. Condensed milk is compulsory as we are making cold coffee.
Mix it well.
Mix it well till it becomes a dough. Now I'm going to neaten the whisk as it got very dirty, and next step also we have to use the whisk. The whisk is very compulsory. Please use this and keep the spoon aside. Now I'm going to use some Hershey's spread and some water. Some vanilla essence again I am going to add as it is not correctly measured. So start mixing again. Now we are going to add some water. Start. Now I am going to pour water for the cold coffee which you are making. This is the main ingredient as everyone gets water everywhere. So I am going to pour 1 cup of water. If I am required, I will pour the second cup of water and nicely mix it in whisk or beat it. Now add some corn flour. So see which I'm going to take, brown and Paulson corn flour. So I am going to add this corn flour in this much. So this is enough. I think this is enough. And now I'm going to mix it nicely. Wow, the smell is very good. And now for the smell we have done this much. For the taste we are going to add some Hershey's syrup. Add more Hershey's syrup. You can do it for your daughter's birthday, so they will like it. And for your daughter's birthday, they don't need except cold coffee. It is very as a child I can say it is very good. As I am studying in 6th, I can say it is very superb. Please try this recipe at home. Now I am beating. You must watch the video till end, so that the ingredients are not mandatory more. Now we have beaten it nicely. As we bet in whisk, we have to use some custard powder of vanilla. Actually I have forgot to say you at the starting, so please cooperate with me. This much custard powder. But sorry, I'm adding more ingredients in this. Next time I may show you some less ingredients cold coffee. See, now nicely mix it like this. So now neatly mix it again. Add some strawberry jam. So I don't have strawberry jam now available. So next time I may show you how to do strawberry jam Doraemon cake. So now let's continue. As it is rested 10 minutes. Now let's check how it is. See the color, how it is. So the color depends on how you made the coffee. So neatly blush the powder and neatly mix, blush and mix. Now I may taste. It's nice. And I forgot to add extra spoon of sugar. I'm gonna add that sugar. We have to add another 3-4 spoons of sugar so that you'll get the more nice taste. So now again beat it. Beat it very nicely. See how much smooth it has become. And now we have to add little corn flour. Corn flour is more corn flour. I'm going to, as I am a Telugu person, I'm going to explain you from now in Telugu. As from next video I'm going to show you in Telugu, as I am a Teluguian. Now let's continue. See the mixture. Add some corn flour. And the children may do it for your mothers or fathers. For Valentine's Day,
Or Father's Day.
Father's Day, Mother's Day, and Hearting Day, they can make this cold coffee and give it to their hearted ones. Please do this and enjoy. I am enjoying by doing this video. Please subscribe, as this is my first video and first episode I am going to do. Season 1, first episode. Now I'm going to beat it with this like a beater. Now it becomes like this. And now I'm going to sit down and this is the way of doing this mixture. As if you do like this, sit down and just mix like this. Don't use whisk. Use whisk if you want. Now I'm going to get up and the smell is very nice. Let's taste. It's nice. Now I'm going to use the strainer. Now leave and again beat in the whisk like this. Now see down how it is smelling. Now I'm adding still syrup. It should finish fast and I'll start my second episode from tomorrow. Now again take it up, down. Now this is your friend Yashas and he is going to show you next steps.
So guys, I'm sorry, this is my sister. She forced me to do a video, so I'm doing. So don't think that this was only for PPT, means PUBG or any games. This is even for cooking. So
Ladies and
please
Insta.
enjoy. Not only for ladies, even for gents, even for babies, for everyone. Now my sister will start because I'm not a good cooker. So I'm not a good chef. Sorry.
Now neatly we mixing. Now we have to save this mixture which have stained for later, and this is coffee, and now we are going to add the toppings of the coffee. And add up the person you like the coffee. Wait, and I did not say where to use the Hershey's spread. Now let's use the Hershey's spread. Is used for topping at the side like this. So our coffee is ready. Now we'll give it the
Tasting time.
and this is our judge Yashas, and he's going to taste
My
and
fans, I'm sorry.
Sir, please taste the topping also.
How the hell can I taste without spoon? You.
Oh, sorry, sir. I forgot to say. Show you.
-1 for without spoon.
How is it with the
This is my
topping?
chawan brush.
With the toppings, how is it?
Good.
How is it, sir?
It's very good.
Now, judge sir, I like your comments. Hey friends, we both are Yashas and Hima. Now, our video, if you like our video, share, subscribe, download and comment, please.
Guys, I am giving the marks to Hima, and the marks for 100 for Hima is 100 out of 100. Sorry.